Alright, Schwab, all yours.
61.
16.
You got all the information I sent to you. 1037 southbound 71. Turn to some parking complexes here in Greenland. I've got Greenland and CID. Back out to 71. Northbound.
Where they run from? They run from.
Traffic's medium for line, northbound 71.
Hey. What?
Shit. TBI rollover 1016.
Hey.
Hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands! Show me your fucking hands! Now! On the ground! On it! On it! Get out! On the ground! Get the fuck out of the window! You got him? Hey, go grab him real quick. Go put handcuffs on him. Who else is in the car besides you two?
We can't want this. Why is this happening? Why is this happening, sir? I didn't want you to do that.
Get off.
I can't.
Get off of it.
Trying, sir.
Now get out on it.
Didn't do this,
On
sir.
the ground.
Yes, sir, I didn't do anything.
Who else is in the car?
Sir, I didn't do anything, I promise.
Is there anybody else in it?
I'm down. I ain't done shit.
You move and I'm gonna pull your fucking head off.
Yes, sir, sir. I didn't do that.
Put your hands behind your back, right fucking
Sir, I didn't do that, though.
you just keep your fucking hands right
Put that
there.
seat
Yes,
up.
sir, I will.
Put that seat up.
Is everybody in there?
Yeah, girl.
Oh, God, sir, I'm hurting. Help me. Please, sir, thank you.
We got an ambulance around. We're fine.
Whenever you're ready, we'll get her out.
Do we have both of them?
Yeah, we gotta go over here to her.
16 says
For me, okay? Put your hands right up here for me.
Get out. Come on. It's either you get out or I drag you out. Get out. I'm 10-4, start 10-11 from my car and this truck.
Gonna roll over.
Yep.
Stand up over here.
Get out of the car.
I'm trying.
Let's go. Step out of the car, man. Okay, well, we're going to handle that, but we're going to get you secured first, okay? Put your hands behind your back. You want to sleep or watch it? No, you want to sleep. Bullshit. Let's go. We're going to sit up.
I'm 10-4, we got 3-10-15, and as advised, I need a 10-11 for this truck and a 10-11 for my car.
Yes, we're copy.
Hey, Schwab.
Yeah,
Where you at?
We're on unit 1064.
up here, I guess.
What's your cross street? Because we're looking for you, bub.
Oh, we're north of the airport, or just right at the airport on 71.
He said he's right at the airport on 71. I thought I heard him saying they're going south.
Oh, y'all messed that up? Oh, my word.
Yep.
Okay. All right, I'll forgive you.
All right, we'll be there in a jiffy.
All right, bye.